day. There's going to be lot of fun on the field.
I don't feel like doing sports activity. Can't you? I think it's not going to help me in any way. Can't you see I'm so weak? I don't want to waste my energy.
Focus on the study. Can sports help me?
Playing video game. I think this is the best activity in the world.
One more level, one more level. I have to complete so many levels. Leave it and come with us to playground. Oh, you mean under the trees in the sun? Sounds suspicious. Touching the grass? Oh, I did that last week. Don't be my coach, Mr. Coach. Oh no, friends. You don't have any idea what you are missing out.
Missing out, leave me alone. I just need my books around me. One more page, do not disturb me.
You're absolutely right. Sport teaches us teamwork and rules. Yes, Arjun, you're absolutely right. Yes, sport teaches us teamwork and true sportsmanship. Yes, Arjun, you are absolutely right.
Siddhant, you are right. These are yes, right. These are lazy dull babies. Lazy dull babies. Lazy dull babies. All champions sweating on the field. Friendship means. Exactly. Or clapping for your opponent if they play well. Or saying good game even when you lose.
I never thought about it that way.
It's okay. Even champions make mistakes. But real champions are the ones who win with respect and lose with grace. Thank you. Do you know about the Olympic?
Yes.
Yes, I tell you some facts about Olympic. The Olympic Games are the four most sporting events in the world. Nations and athletes from the world participate in different sporting events. They are held every 4 years in different countries. Oh, that's great, Shubhash. separate continents. During Olympic Games, people unite to celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship.
जिंदगी का नाम सिखाता है मेहनत कदम और काम हार को या ये के बाद खिलाड़ियों के पास सच्ची बात तो खेलो जियो गिरो और उठो जीवन के हर मोड़ पर डटकर चलो
Yeah, today's students, not just fans of screens, but the true players of the real fields and dreams. A mobile screen may light up your face, but a playground light up your soul. Virtual games may entertain you, but real sports train your body, mind, and soul. Now, dear audience, let's enjoy the dance by the students of class 2B.
This was a power-packed performance. You moved like the true champions out there. I will request ma'am to say a few words.